Hello everybody! It's time for another devlog. This time, we're talking about the prototyping sprint. That's right, my team and I made a prototype. We had to figure out what the hell our game was gonna look like, and then make a janky-ass prototype of it. So our engineering team got together and came up with a way to make game work. Basically, our game is about building a city and talking to the people in the city to build your community to protect them from oncoming storms. So we implemented a system where you can talk to people in the city, have little dialogue interactions with little portraits, and our character artist designed some early portraits. Those give you information about what the storm is going to be. We made it so that once you knew information about the storm, you could respond to it by moving around blocks in your city. And if you move them in the right place, then when you made the waters come, if you were able to block all the water, then you would win. Now, our full game is meant to be a little bit more complicated than that. It's not just moving stuff around, it's actually building stuff, and there's going to be a couple different versions of water appearing. But we got the basic loop done. I myself did a lot of the organizational stuff, and I did some art, and I definitely did programming that worked, and then I failed to push it. Basically, I just beefed it. I beefed it. Luckily, the thing I was doing, I saved my code, so I just had to send that to one of our engineers, and then he was like, thank you so much, and then he just did a better job implementing it because he's a more experienced programmer than I am. But what I lack in programming experience and expertise, I make up for in humility, because I am mature enough to know that having someone else program the same thing was probably the best thing for the game. With this jam, I think scheduling is one of the big issues, because we are not dedicating all of our time for the entire month to the game, and there's a lot that needs to get done. And so balancing everyone getting their work done and everyone being able to communicate and come to meetings while also basically living normal life is pretty tricky, but we're getting it done, and I'm really proud of the prototype we put together. Seems like our mentor thinks that our prototype is in a pretty good spot, and I'm excited to design the game properly and get into production. Yeah. I can link the prototype in the video description, and you can play the prototype on itch. Check it out. Give it a rating. Hell yeah. Thanks for watching. See you next week.